Welcome to this tutorial video for Microsoft PowerPoint 2019, Presenting Slideshows. As you know, a Microsoft PowerPoint slideshow is designed to be projected onto a screen or blank wall in front of an audience. This video will provide you with the skills you need to present your slideshows and use slide transitions. After watching this video, specifically, you will be able to use and apply slide transitions, as well as present slideshows to an audience. Let's begin by covering what slide transitions are. Slide transitions are settings that you can add to the slides in your presentations that provide motion effects as you advance your slides from one to another. PowerPoint has numerous slide transitions to choose from. The slide transitions are divided into categories and can be found by going up to the ribbon and clicking on the Transitions tab. You will see some transitions listed here, and then by clicking on the down arrow that looks like a triangle, you can see all of the transitions divided into their categories. The first category are the subtle transitions. These transitions are just as the name implies. These transitions provide subtle motion during the slide transition and are not too flashy. They often work well for any presentation during which you want to provide some visual variety without being too garish. The second category are the exciting transitions. These transitions are very strong and provide intense visual variety as you advance from one slide to another. They often work well for high-energy presentations. The final category are the dynamic transitions. These transitions are strong as well, but they focus on the slide content as opposed to the slide itself. They often work well for slides with very important content that you want to emphasize. Now that you know what categories of transitions are available, let's cover how to apply them. To begin applying slide transitions to your slides, you must first click on the slide in the slide sorter that you want to add the transition to. Next, go up to the ribbon and click on the Transitions tab. A few of the transitions stretch across the center of the ribbon, and you can click on the More button in order to access all of the available transitions. Then you simply need to click on the transition you'd like to use. You'll know that the addition was successful when you see an example of it play out on your screen. You can also go to the slide sorter and see a small star below the slide number. That means that the transition was successfully added. Now, let's cover a couple of ways that you can present your slideshows to an audience. As indicated by the phrase slideshow, Microsoft PowerPoint slides are designed to be projected on a screen or a blank wall. In order for this to work, you're going to need to hook up a projector to your computer or laptop. You can present your slideshow manually, which means that you will press buttons on your computer or laptop keyboard to advance your slides. You can also set up your slideshow so that your slides will cycle automatically. If you'd like to present your slideshow manually, you'll begin by going up to the ribbon and clicking on the Slideshow tab. On the left side, you'll click From Beginning. Microsoft PowerPoint will then transition into slideshow mode. You can then use the up and down arrow keys on your keyboard to move the slides forward or backward. These keys can usually be found on the right side of your keyboard, typically near the bottom. You can also use your mouse if you have one hooked up to your laptop to advance the slides forward. You simply need to click the left button, and your slides will advance forward one by one. If you're finished, to end the slideshow, just simply press the Escape key on your keyboard, and you'll go back to editing mode. If you'd rather set up your slides to cycle automatically, you'll begin by clicking on the Transitions tab in the ribbon. Then, on the right-hand side, you want to click the box in front of After. Next, you'll use the up or down arrows to enter the amount of seconds you want each slide to show. Then click Apply to All. So now that your slideshow is set up to cycle automatically, you can begin the slideshow. You'll go up to your ribbon and click on the Slideshow tab, and then on the left-hand side, click From Beginning. Microsoft PowerPoint will then switch into slideshow mode, and your slides will cycle automatically based on the number of seconds you put in the After field. To end the slideshow, press the Escape key on your keyboard, and then Microsoft PowerPoint will revert back to editing mode. Hopefully, watching this video gave you enough information to present your slideshows with confidence. Thanks for watching.